Utica physician says he's been using a method to alleviate coronavirus symptoms, in a way that was done in the early 1900s. It's called osteopathic therapy. It's not a cure, but Dr. Chmielewski says it could be used to help those suffering from the virus. News Channel 2's Brent Carney spoke to the doctor about how his practice could help those suffering from COVID-19.
So the first thing I'm going to do is have the patient turn his head to the side so he doesn't...
Dr. Richard Chmielewski specializes in osteopathic treatments specifically designed to therapeutically alleviate a patient's symptoms in what he calls the influenza protocol. We spoke together about his methods via FaceTime.
So using this influenza protocol, which takes about 5 minutes, I was able to either without medications, or sometimes if I had to prescribe either antibiotics or steroids or other treatments, I had very good results over the last 10, 11 years.
Chmielewski says the treatments are similar to massage therapy and physical therapy. He says it's been used by doctors since the early 1900s during the Spanish flu pandemic. An outbreak Chmielewski says is comparable to what we are experiencing now with the coronavirus.
A lot of the symptoms basically are pretty similar. People just kind of not feeling good, and then eventually getting a spike in a fever in most cases, not all.
And I saw the videos on YouTube. Now, can you explain, how does that help our current patients? Obviously, you said it's not a cure.
The osteopathic techniques, these manual techniques, you might call them, similar to massage or acupressure or physical therapy techniques and so forth, are extremely powerful in opening up that sewer system, allowing the fluids to then freely flow to help the body to correct itself.
Chmielewski says until a vaccine is developed, the best treatment against the virus is to stay home.
I think if you have anything, including COVID-19, we need to do the public health measures there. And if you have something, not to pass it on to somebody. I know it could be a financial hardship and everything else, but there have to be ways around that so we can limit the spread on there.
If you're interested in learning about Dr. Chmielewski's practices, we will have a link on our website at WKTV.com. In Utica, Brent Carney, News Channel 2.